In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export subscribers from AWeber. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV file of your contacts that you can use for backups, reporting, or moving data into another tool. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a simple spreadsheet format that opens in most data and analytics programs. Start from your AWeber dashboard. Look over to the left-hand side and find the navigation menu. Click on the Subscribers tab. This is your hub for viewing and managing the people on your lists. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you manage multiple lists or have a larger audience. Next, choose the specific list you want to export. At the top of the subscriber view, make sure the correct list is selected so you don't accidentally pull the wrong data. If you're only after a subset, use the search bar to quickly find particular subscribers by keywords or addresses, or narrow things down with the filters so you're seeing only the active subscribers you care about. Take a second to confirm your filters reflect exactly what you need. Your export will mirror what's currently displayed in this list. Once you've confirmed the list and filters, scroll all the way to the bottom of the subscriber list. There you'll see the Export CSV button. Click it to begin generating your file. Depending on how many subscribers you have and the complexity of your filters, this might take a moment. It's a good idea to stay on the page while AWeber prepares your export to ensure the process completes smoothly. A pop-up will appear when the export is ready. In that pop-up, you'll see a link to download your CSV. Click the link and your file will download to your computer. Choose a secure location you'll remember, such as a designated exports or reports folder. If you don't see the pop-up, check your browser for any blocked pop-ups or look for a download notification near the top or bottom of your window. Also, if your list is large, give it a little extra time. The system is compiling the data behind the scenes. That's it. You now have a CSV containing your subscriber information as it appears in AWeber at the time of export. Keep this file safe since it contains contact data, and consider naming it with the date so you can track versions over time. If you plan to analyze it, you can open it in your preferred spreadsheet tool later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently export your subscribers from AWeber.